Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Talking with Cars, and today we're going to be talking about That Detail Shop, right? So everyone's kind of like heard of That Detail Shop. Garyod Passmore created this business a little bit ago. I mean, I kind of picked up on some of his YouTube clips and shorts and Instagrams and stuff like that, and it was really, I mean, in my eyes, from my perspective, it was really kind of like separating himself from everybody else, right? Everyone's kind of on the trends and all that kind of stuff. This guy's been detailing for a long time, since he was 13, and he wanted to develop a business unit basically for the detailers, and preparing a website that's got everything on it. And I don't know if he's got his own internal store or anything like that, but all I know is that he's got a lot of product on his website, and I'm really kind of intrigued with what he's done over the past year or two. So he is a veteran, and thank you so much for your service. I do appreciate everything that you're doing. You know, I think it's pretty interesting what Gary's doing. I'm going to call him Gary for short, and I think most people do. But I think he's doing a really great job of kind of like filtering through the BS and kind of like creating a nice list of products that you can buy online. And there was one product online. Actually, I bought a few different things. I bought these like TDS 260 GSM utility towels. They were very inexpensive. It was like $9.99 for the entire packet. So that's why I thought it was an easy buy, no question about it. I did get his foam cannon, right? So I was really intrigued with what he was doing with his foam cannon. This is it right here. You know, it's basically the MJJC Pro version 2. He made it his own, which a lot of companies are doing, you know, but because this is a really good staple. Foam cannon, everyone likes it. I've been kind of manipulating and changing the S and kind of making that my own, you know, with the original makers. And you know, I applaud anyone who goes through that process and kind of makes it their own. You know, I think it's a long process, and I don't think a lot of people appreciate what goes into it. You know, it's got a nice box, it's got everything on there, and I'll do a separate review of this in the upcoming weeks, you know. But today I wanted to kind of like focus in on the other product that I bought, which is the TDS Flowy. I thought that was a pretty cool idea, right? So this thing is it's a starter kit. I'm not sure what that means, but it comes with the Flowy, right? Which is this little device right here, and a little stand, you know, so you can kind of put it on there. Hopefully the stand comes with it. That would be pretty cool. Yeah, it's got a storage kit. And what you do is you put your favorite tire dressing in there, and then you can kind of pump it, and the applicator pads on there, and you can kind of place it onto your car or your tires, and you can pump it, and you can kind of like just apply it to your car tires. So that's pretty neat. I think that was a really cool idea. So I'm going to pick currently my favorite tire dressing, which is Clean's tire dressing. I'm really happy with this water-based product. I kind of like the way it applies. I like how it comes out, the consistency, the viscosity, everything about it. So let's get right to it. Let's unbox this thing. Let's unbox the Flowy and show you what it's all about. This is Talking with Cars. All right, so let's open the box up and find out what's truly inside, right? And I know it says what it's inside, but it's hard to believe that all this stuff fits in here, but I guess it will. And again, I thought this was a really cool idea, because if you can kind of put the product into a reservoir, and all you have to do is kind of pump it out. And I like these types of applicator pads, right? Let me show you the one that I typically use. You know, it's very similar to this one. Yeah, so you can see this is the applicator pad that I usually get from Adams. This is an Adams Polisher. This is an Adams Polishes applicator pad for the tires, you know, for the dressing. And these are really good. I like it, you know, because it kind of fits my hand well, and you can kind of just wrap around the tire, and within minutes, you know, seconds actually, you can apply this to the tire. So as you can see, it's very similar in size. Maybe the amplitude of these things right here are a little bit taller. Not much, you know, but it's pretty cool. And then what else does it come with? So yeah, it does come with the storage puck, basically. So you can place it on here. And it looks like this is an enclosed, you can't open this up, I don't think. So this is, yeah, this is one solid piece of plastic. So if anything kind of like drips into these like little grates, it'll go down to the bottom, but at least it's not pulling up on your applicator. And then the Velcro top on this, and I guess you can open this up from this side and place your favorite tire dressing in here, right? And then all you would have to do is pressurize it, kind of pump it. You kind of hear it, right? Pumps it out. And it goes through that little hole right there. And then you can apply it to your tires. So I'm a little nervous about how much will actually come out of this thing, but probably not that much. I guess we'll find out. You know, there is a little bit of a diaphragm in here. So there's a little diaphragm in there, so it's not like completely wide open. So as you're pushing this out, it's going to release a little bit of the mixture onto the applicator, and then you can go ahead and spread it around. So yeah, I'm really curious to see how this works. You got to line this up properly, not too difficult at all. And there you go. There's the Flowy, the TDS Flowy. Pretty cool, little cute little thing, right? The stand that you put it on so it doesn't make a huge mess. So yeah, let's try it out. Let's find out what it's all about. I'm gonna put a little bit of that tire dressing from Clean in here, and we'll see what it does. All right, so let's bring the camera in a little bit closer. And like I said, I'm gonna use Clean. I'm gonna put this is like almost a full bottle. And I've been using this because I really like it. And again, it doesn't smell like anything. It's just a water-based tire dressing, really simple, to the point, does its job. And let's see if we could pour this in here. Viscosity is pretty decent for it. All right. Put the cap back on. And then, yeah, you should be able to just press this. Oop. Gary, a little inappropriate. Whoa. All right, cool. So basically what you're doing is you're spraying it out onto the tire, and then you're rubbing it in, right? That's the idea. So it's a pretty cool idea. You know, I think what I want to do is just go to a tire right now and then try it out and show you what it's all about. All right, so I have the TDS Flowy. It's on its little stand here, and what we're going to do is we're going to try to apply it on this tire right here. The tire's in pretty decent shape. It's got a dressing on there from a while ago. The car doesn't really move that much, but I want to kind of like add a little bit more to it. So let's see what we could do here. Let's see how easy it is to apply it. It's not that bad. You do get a little bit on your wheel because it kind of spreads out a little bit. And you need to make sure that when you're applying it, when you're actually like pressing this, that you're kind of up against the wheel, that you're not like further back like this. And then it's on there, and then you can kind of like easily apply it to the wheel, or the tire, I should say. So, all right, so now I have a generous amount of tire dressing on there, and I think it looks pretty decent, you know. I'm trying to get into these edges, right? That little lip around the wheel. That could be a little bit tough with this, maybe a little bit tougher than the other one because your hand is a little closer, but you can kind of bring it in a little closer and do it like that. So it's not bad, you know. It could be a little bit wasteful if you're not using it correctly at first, but once you get the hang of it, I don't think it's that bad. So let's try another tire and see if I could kind of get the hang of it. All right, so here's another tire, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna apply it, and then we're gonna go ahead and start spreading it out. All right, so it's not too bad. I mean, it's a softer sponge for sure than the other one. You know, I think if this was a little bit tougher or denser, I think it would be a little bit better. And if this didn't squirt directly through it, like I guess what I'm trying to say is if it didn't have a hole here and it just basically you're pumping it into the sponge, that would be really cool, right? Because then you're not like getting it everywhere. But otherwise, it's not too bad. I mean, once you get the hang of it, it's really not bad at all. And you got enough on here to basically just kind of smooth out your tire and get it to the right matte finish or whatever kind of gloss finish you're looking for. So not a bad idea. Pretty cool, TDS. You know, I kind of like it. So if you're interested in something like this, I'll put the link down below. I do have an affiliation with them. I did buy all this stuff on my own, but I do have an affiliation. You can save, I believe it's 10% off on their website. So I'll put the links down below. You guys can kind of click on it, find out if there's anything on his website that you're interested in. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. There's plenty on there. And let's help support Gary and his new company, TDS, and we'll go from there. All right, so like, subscribe, hype if you can, and peace out.